Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nidhi, and in today's video, we have something really interesting for you. We all know we're in a lockdown and we're not able to travel, and I was missing my mom and my sister so much. So we decided to do a video call, but we thought we're going to make it a little more interesting. So we will be doing something really fun in this video. You definitely want to watch this. But before that, let me share with all of you that my sister is also a YouTuber. She flies for a national carrier in India, and she has a YouTube channel. The interesting thing about her is that she's a fitness trainer. So do check out her YouTube channel. Do follow her on Facebook. Do connect with her on Instagram as well, where she shares a lot of fitness-related information. In fact, this is the best time to connect with her because she is doing a lot of sharing on her Instagram regarding all the exercises that you can do sitting at home. So today's video is all about sharing secrets. Yes, things that you do not know about me and things that you do not know about my sister. So our mom is going to be actually telling all of you some of these secrets. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started.
Just want to tell you guys that the person who gets the most rating is the one who wins the race. So let's get started.
We never decided any of this. don't make up the rules.
Let's get started.
So just to let you also know that I'm in Singapore right now and she's in India. They both are in India, and that's one of the reasons we're not able to meet. But I really hope I get to see both of you very soon. I miss you guys. So let's get started. So Mom, the first question.
The tickets are ready. We're just ready for the lockdown to break. The tickets are ready. We are coming up to you.
Great. Okay, so the first question that we have for our mom today is, between me and Sneha, who is more naughty? हम दोनों के बीच में कौन ज़्यादा naughty है?
हाँ जी।
स्नेहा ज़्यादा naughty है, बहुत परेशान करती है, कभी कुछ भी काम बोलो तो डांस करके डांस करती रहेगी, लेकिन काम नहीं करेगी, मैं चिल्लाती रहूंगी, ये डांस करके अपने को इधर उधर करती रहेगी.
Okay guys, so what she wants to say is that I am more naughty than Nidhi. What she's trying to say is that I am more naughty than her, and that she really likes that thing because, you know, I dance a lot, and then I, you know, kind of listen to her. But she really likes that part about me. So, you know, I am like not here, but in a good way. So I win.
Fine. Okay. The next question that I have for my mom is, between me and my sister Sneha, who do you love more? आप मेरे और स्नेहा के बीच में किसको ज़्यादा प्यार करते हो?
मैं दोनों को ही बराबर प्यार करती हूँ, लेकिन स्नेहा मेरे पास रहती है, इसलिए इसको ज़्यादा प्यार मिलता है.
I'm winning the race.
मेरे पास नहीं
I'm winning the race.
And I have to live with photos.
Yeah, so mom says she loves both of us equally, but since I am with her all the time, so she loves me more than you.
So the next question that I have for our mom is, between me and Sneha, who is more stubborn? मेरे और स्नेहा के बीच में जिद्दी कौन है ज़्यादा?
Okay. I'm just asking her that why she thinks that I am more stubborn than Nidhi. So she's just telling.
Actually, Nidhi तो मेरे पास रहती नहीं है, मैं थोड़े दिन उसके पास जाती हूँ, जैसा बोलती हूँ yes mummy करती रहती है, इसलिए पता नहीं चलता. लेकिन जिद्दी तो निधि भी है.
So she's saying that whenever she comes to you, which is very rare that she comes to meet you, so then you listen to her, you obey her. So that's why she feels that I am more stubborn than you. But even you are stubborn. But I am more stubborn, so I win. Yeah. Next.
Actually, that is not true. I do. Actually, that's the next question. So I think we should keep that. I would not say that. Okay. Fine. You are more stubborn. You're naughtier. Mom loves you more. Fine. It's okay.
Okay. Choose the next one, baby.
The next question that I have is, between me and Sneha, who is a fighter cock? मेरे और स्नेहा के बीच में लड़ाकू कौन है? कौन ज्यादा लड़ाई करता है?
हाँ जी।
लड़ाकू है जान।
I get 1 point.
Okay. So, mom, Nidhi just asked mom that who is more, who gets more angry between both of us. So she says that Nidhi gets more angry, and I'm like, nice, cool person, smiley all the time. So in a way, I win. But we'll give it to you. We'll give 1 to you. Don't worry.
But that is true. I have to agree. I fight a lot more. Yes. But I thought I'm more stubborn. But I'm good to know that you're more stubborn. I'm not that stubborn. That's good.
It's okay. It's okay.
The next
Losers always say like this. Losers always say like this. It's okay.
You've been a loser a lot of times in this, okay? Just to let you know, if you haven't realized.
Okay, choose the next one. Choose the 5th question.
Okay, so between me and Sneha, who loves to eat food? हम दोनों के बीच में किसको खाना ज़्यादा पसंद है?
ऐसा स्नेहा को खाना बहुत पसंद है। उसको टाइम पे अलग अलग डिफरेंट फूड चाहिए होता है, वो खाती रहती है। वो कितना भी चिल्लाती है, वो कितना खाती है। और अदर साइड निधि को खाना टेबल पे पड़ा होता है, 1 घंटा तक पड़ा रहेगा तब भी नहीं खाएगी।
Okay, I'm gonna translate this one. No, I will translate this one. So
no,
I'll do it.
Okay, you do the honor.
And mom is saying that I'm a very nice child. I'm very obedient. I eat my food on time. I'm a very nice girl. And Sneha is the one who... No. Fine. I'll tell the truth.
Mommy is saying that I am the one who loves to eat, and I'm the one who eat a lot, and you're the one who don't even if the food is kept in front of you. So you lost, baby. You lost. Yeah.
So that is true. As much as I love food, for some reason, if I have to work, I prioritize my work over food, which is not a good learning, actually. Okay, so this is an interesting question. This question, mom, is, so a lot of people usually ask us between me and my sister who's elder, because both of us look alike, and she looks really fit and young, and I think I look very pretty and young too. So people always
don't ask it. We both are twins. We both are twins. Just born with a difference of 1 day.
ये पॉइंट निधि को जाएगा, क्योंकि निधि ज्यादा बता अपने आपको मैच्योर बनाने की कोशिश करती है। मैच्योर है भी, ये थोड़ा चाइल्डहुड टाइप में चली जाती है, लेकिन निधि ने एक्चुअली 10 साल अलग रही हो मेरे से, इसलिए अपने आप को तुमने मैच्योर,
कड़ी तपस्या, कड़ी मेहनत की है तुमने,
अपने आप को मैच्योर बना लिया है और समझदार बना लिया है। इतनी समझदार नहीं है ये हर चीज को।
Mom is trying to say that Nidhi is more mature, and she is mature because she spent a lot of time alone, working hard for our family, for earning for our family. As she was the bread earner for our family. She was the one who's done a lot of hard work. So because of that, she has become very mature. So, good one. Good
but
one.
I have to say something. Even when I was with you guys back in India, I was still the mature one. I don't think Sneha was the mature one. I was the more mature one.
No, Sneha बिल्कुल mature नहीं है. एक देवानंद का गाना नहीं है. मैं जिंदगी को यूं ही धूल में उड़ाता चला गया.
So what she's trying to say, I am more carefree. So because of that, you look more mature and more, intelligent than me.
Okay, Mom. So the next question is that between me and Sneha,
asking, who is more practical?
Okay, yes. Thank you for completing my question. तो मेरे और स्नेहा के बीच में ज़्यादा practical कौन है?
Practical भी निधि है, स्नेहा practical नहीं है.
Okay, this one goes to you. Nidhi is more practical.
Do you want to share an experience of why am I so practical?
एक बार की एक बार का एक किस्सा है। किसी के साथ मैंने कंपनी खोली थी प्राइवेट में। उसने मेरे को धोखा दिया और मेरी गाड़ी, पैसा सब कुछ लूट के चला गया और मैं बहुत परेशान रोती रहती थी। तब निधि एटलीस्ट आई थिंक 10 years की होगी। तो जब मैं बहुत रोती थी तो निधि बोलती थी क्या हो गया मम्मी, तो मैं बोलती थी कि ऐसे ऐसे एक अंकल थे जिन्होंने मेरे को कंपनी खोली हमने और उसने धोखा दिया मुझे और मैं बहुत परेशान हूँ। मेरी गाड़ी ले गया, मेरे पैसे सेविंग्स ले गया और मेरे को चीट भी किया, कंपनी को भी फ्रॉड बना दिया। तो निधि ने मेरे को समझाया कि मम्मी वो आदमी दुनिया का सबसे अच्छा इंसान था, ये समझ लो, लेकिन अगर वो मर गया तो आप कैसे उससे कुछ भी वापस ले सकती हो। तो मुझे लगा कि हाँ ये बहुत समझदार है और उस दिन के बाद मैंने उस चीज का दुख मनाना छोड़ दिया। मैंने सोच लिया कि वो मर गया और दुनिया से चला गया।
Okay.
Really? I said that?
So you can translate that for everyone, Nidhi.
Okay, sure. So I actually don't remember this, but my mom is sharing that I was 10 years old, and at that point in time my mom was going through huge losses. She had started a company with someone, and that person turned out to be a fraud. He took my money, he basically cheated her, so she was in a lot of debt, and she used to cry a lot because she wasn't sure what to do about it. So I told my mom at that point in time that imagine that this person is dead, and if this person is dead, you can never get anything back from him. So why do you want to worry about it? Because at the end of the day, what's gone is gone. You can never get it back. You just have to look forward to things in life. So that's why my mom says that I'm more practical. So the next question is actually between me and my sister, who's more emotional?
ये तो स्नेहा को जाता है।
Okay. So why do you think that? Why do you think that?
इसका भी एक किस्सा सुनाती हूँ मैं। एक दिन ये जब इतने सारे मेरे लॉसेस हो गए थे तो एक दिन हम मार्केट गए। मेरे पास एक पुरानी कार थी क्योंकि नई कार तो उसने फ्रॉड ने छीन ली थी मुझसे। तो इसको मैंने बोला कि तू तड़के जाके सब्जी लेकर आ। इसने बोला नहीं मैं नहीं जा रही। मैंने बोला नहीं मेरा मूड खराब है मैं नहीं जा रही। तो फिर ये गई और सामने एक शॉप थी छोटी सी फुटपाथ पे और उसके 2 बच्चे थे वहां पर। वो दोनों वहां खेल रहे थे। ये वापस आई और आके बोलती है कि मम्मी वो सामने सब्जी वाली को आप देख रहे हो? मैंने बोला हाँ। बोलती हो क्या कर रही है? मैंने बोला वो हंस रही है। फिर थोड़ी देर बाद बोलती है कि वो नीचे तो बच्चे भी बैठे हैं, यहाँ भी बैठे हैं। मैं कहती हूँ वो क्या करते हैं? मैं बड़े गंदे से बच्चे। कह रही है मत देखो वो गंदे भी अच्छे हैं, ये बताओ कर क्या रहे हैं? वो भी खुश है खेल रहे हैं। तो बोलती है कि मम्मी अगर एक औरत जिसके सर पे छत भी नहीं है और सड़क पे फुटपाथ पे बैठ के सब्जी बेच रही है, आज कमाएगी आज खाएगी, लेकिन वो खुश रह सकती है, तो तुम्हारे पास तो उसके तो 2 गंदे बच्चे हैं, तुम्हारे पास तो अच्छे बच्चे हैं जिसको तुम डायमंड बोलती हो। तो उनके सपोर्ट से तुम बहुत अच्छी जिंदगी जी सकते हो। तुम्हारे सर पे छत भी है, जैसा भी है, घर भी है, पुरानी गाड़ी भी है, बारिश में कम से कम प्रोटेक्शन करती है ये गाड़ी जैसी भी है, लेकिन वो तो छाते से भी अपने को प्रोटेक्ट करने की कंडीशन में ही है। उस दिन से मेरा जिंदगी को देखने का नजरिया ही बदल गया।
Okay, thank you.
Okay, I'll do the translation. I'll do the translation for you. So my mom is saying that my sister is more emotional. She feels for people a lot more. So during the same time, when we were really young, my mom actually went out to the market to buy vegetables, and we had a really old car because the new car had gone in all this losses that we had. And my mom asked my sister to go and buy some vegetables because my mom wasn't feeling she wasn't feeling very good. So my sister stepped out of the car. She went to the vegetable girl. There was one woman who was actually selling vegetables by the roadside, and there were 2 very young children who were very shabbily dressed, and they were just playing. So my sister, after buying vegetables, came back to my mom and basically asked my mom, can you look at that woman and tell us what that woman is doing. So my mom said, she's selling vegetables, but she looks happy. Then she said, can you look at the children who are actually sitting? Then my mom said, they don't look good, but they look happy. So my sister told my mom that these people don't even have a shelter. They eat whatever they earn on that particular day, and still if they can be happy, whatever our situation is, even if we don't have enough money at this point in time, even if we are in losses, what's more important is to be positive and be happy, because we at least have a car. We have a house that we can go back to. We can get protection. So my mom says that her entire perspective of life completely changed as to how you should feel in certain situations. So that is why my mom says that she's more positive. Emotionally, she's a more positive person, and she feels for other people more in comparison to me. Okay, so between me and Sneha, who is more hardworking?
Didi is hardworking. दीदी ज्यादा मेहनती है और इतनी मेहनत करती है, जब तक कि खत्म ना हो काम मिलती नहीं है, चाहे 24 घंटे भी बैठ के काम करना पड़ेगा, अपनी हेल्थ का भी ध्यान नहीं रखती, इतनी हार्ड वर्कर है.
Yeah, so mom is saying that Nidhi is more hardworking than me. I just eat and sleep, and she works till eternity. She wants to work till eternity.
No, I think we're done with the questions. Definitely you win. So it was really nice going back the memory lane and just talking about a few things.
Yeah.
I do
great.
Although you still love her more, you think she is
अभी 2 पॉइंट और मिलेंगे देखो, बराबर हो जाएगी. अभी कैसे 2 पॉइंट और.
Before Shilise wants to say something, 2 words, and then we wrap it up. Don't bore our viewers. Just tell 2 words in favor of Nidhi.
नहीं, दीदी बहुत अच्छी लड़की है.
तो मैं खराब हूँ बता.
So my mom is saying Nidhi is a good girl, and my sister is saying, so that means I'm a bad girl. Okay.
And
Nidhi is a good girl.
And the second point?
And second point, वो बहुत अच्छी एक human being भी है, एक अच्छी इंसान भी है.
So I'm a bad human being. That means.
Okay, so we're going to end this by concluding this, that my mom says that we both are nice daughters, and we're responsible. We're nice human beings, and we do whatever we put in, all our hard work, passion and dedication. But I just want to say that I think this is something that we have learned from you, Mom. If you would not have taught us the right things, if you wouldn't have given us the right values when we were young, if you wouldn't have taught us especially how to fight, how to survive, how to do the right thing, then I don't think we would have been here. I honestly owe all my success to both of you. Everything that you guys have supported me completely in everything that I wanted to do in my life. I wanted to come to Singapore, to fly for Singapore Airlines. I remember I actually had a surgery and you came with me to take care of me, and you've done so much for us, and I think even if we could just do a little bit for you to make you happy and take care of you, that'll be I'm sorry, I'm actually
that will be, we'll just tell you what is it. That is the start eating. Start eating on time.
1 point.
Start eating on time.
Last 1 point.
Mom is saying start eating on time.
Last 1 point.
Okay, Nidhi is getting emotional. Don't be emotional.
fine.
Start eating.
Last point रह गया. लोग हमेशा मुझसे एक सवाल करते हैं, ये आपके लड़का नहीं है? तो मैं जवाब देती हूँ मेरे पास 2 डायमंड है. तो सब बोलते हैं ये कौन सी कैटेगरी है? तो मैंने कहा ये तो आपको वीडियो देखने के बाद ही पता चलेगा कि वो कौन सी कैटेगरी है.
Okay, don't be emotional. Tickets have now, don't worry. Yeah, so mommy is saying that everybody asks her that you don't have boy, you have girls, so you don't feel bad about it. She says to them that I have 2 diamonds. So people say, who are those? So mom says, Sneha and Sneha. Sneha and Sneha.
Okay, so mom is saying the diamonds are Sneha and Nidhi.
Yeah.
Okay. And,
so each on time.
She's the jeweler. Okay, guys, so that brings us to the end of the video. Thank you for watching. I really hope you could relate to us better now. And this is just our effort of staying connected with all of you, in my effort in staying connected with my family. So I think this is a reflection time. You should do something like that with your family. Sit down and talk to them a little bit more, spend some time with them, and just reflect a little bit of how you're such a strong family and how you're building relationships. But for now, thanks once again for watching. Please do subscribe to my sister's channel. Do connect with her on Instagram and Facebook. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Do like, comment, and share on this video if you like what we've done here. And of course, do not forget to press the notification bell if you've already subscribed to the channel for more videos, so that we can bring you a lot of fun and entertainment. But for now, all of you out there, always stay pretty, stay handsome, and I love you guys.
Bye.